Hey guys, today we'll see the first set of jump rope tricks. The first one is the boxer skip. Then is the side swipe. And the fast skip. Now let's learn how to do the boxer skip. First, we'll concentrate on the legs. All you gotta do is that alternately bring your legs forward hopping. Remember that you should not place your heel on the ground. Now let's try to make it a bit faster. You can even do a double bounce or even a triple bounce too. Now let's try with the jump rope. Now let's learn how to do the side swipe. First we'll concentrate on the hand movement. This is an easy and simple trick. To do this trick, you should bring your jump rope to the side of your body, spinning it over. You can even do a single swipe, double swipe and triple swipe too. Watch over the wrist movement. Now try to do the side swipe by hopping. Now let's do the fast skip. On the first hop, fold one of your legs, and for the second hop, release your folded leg by kicking it front. Now let's try to do it with the jump rope.